Hello, my ABT students. Now, this is still working on your merged documents. This is assignment number 6, your financial letter. Now, just because of time, I've put the body in here, okay? You'll type your body in when it's time to, but I want to save time, so my body is here. And I've saved it as my name, the current date, financial letter form. So make sure you say it's a letter and you say that it's a form when you save it in your folder. Okay, so we're going to go to mailings, all right, and we want to go start the mail merge wizard, all right. So go to the wizard, and now we want to do letter, that's right, and we want to go to next. Now, this time, and use the current document, yes, because I've got all my data keyed in here, so I want to use the current document. And next, select the recipients. No, we're not selecting in this assignment. We are creating. So we want to go to type a new list, create. Now, remember you go to customize columns. Okay, so we want title, first name, last name, company name, address 1, address 2, city. Remember, state has to be renamed to province and spell it correctly, Province. And say OK. Zip code is postal code, so rename. And remember, take out the Z and the I and put in postal code. Okay, postal code. And say OK. Now, start at the bottom. We don't want the email address, so delete it. Yes. Then delete the next one. Yes. Delete home phone. Yes. And delete country or region. Yes. Okay, now, in this one here, we have a third address, line 3. So I want you to go here on city. No, actually go on address line 2 because it should go below. We want to add. And we want it to be address line 3. Okay, address line 3. Say OK. And say OK. That's all we need. I don't think there's any other changes for right now, so that's OK. And now we're ready to input your data. Okay, the first name is straightforward. You want Mr., so put in MR period, tab, and then put in Kevin, Kevin, and then tab, and the last name is Thompson, Thompson, and then tab. Now we have the first, no company name, address line 1 is 1454 Delta Avenue. And now, press your tab key. We do not have address line 2. We do not have address line 3. But we have the city, which is Brandon. And then tab. Now, remember Manitoba is capital M, capital B. No periods, no commas. Postal code. Put your caps lock on and put in R7S. R7S. Space 1N5, 1N5. All right, that's all we have, so press the tab key, and now we're on our second record, which is Miss, M-I-S-S, no periods there. Oh, take your caps lock off. See, I forgot mine. Miss, M-I-S-S, and tab, and it is Frankie, F-R-A-N-K-I-E, tab Mendez, M-E-N-D-E-Z. And now tab. Now the company name is Carlton Motors Limited. Carlton Motors Ltd. period. Okay, Carlton Motors Limited Ltd. period. Okay, so now the address is 1555. So 1555 Tifton Way. T-I-F-T, T-I-F-T-O-N, Tifton Way. And tab, we don't have address line 2, we don't have address line 3, and we have Dauphin, D-A-U-P-H-I-N, tab, and put your caps lock on, MB, tab, and your postal code is R9Y, R9Y, space, and 2T5. All right, take your caps lock off. Oh, I didn't have mine on. Hold on. Okay, tab. Make sure you're in the postal code. My caps lock is on now. So R9Y space and 2T5. Well, what the heck? Okay. R9Y 2T5. And press your tab key. Okay, so the third one is Ms. Now, Ms. has a period, okay? So it is MS period, and then tab, and it's Shirley Chang. Shirley and Chang, C-H-A-N-G. Now, she has a position, okay, but she doesn't have a company name. So therefore, oh, we need a position. Okay, so therefore we have to go to Customize Columns. And now go to company name, actually go to address line 1. No, go to company name. And add the position, no, go to last name. And add the position, P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N, position. Okay, and position comes before company name, like you can see there, all right? And I've got address 1, 2, 3. That's good. All right, say OK. So now I have a position, okay? And her position is accounts payable supervisor. Oh, I need a capital S there. Okay, now press your tab key. There is no company name, but address line 1 is 209 Comptroller's Way. 209 COMPTROLLER S apostrophe office. I think I said way originally. Okay, and now tab. And address line 2 is administration building. And then tab. And address line 3 is University of Manitoba. And then tab. And the city is Winnipeg. And I see DOF and then I put an E on it here, so I'm going to fix it right now. And then here, Winnipeg, tab, and I want MB. And the postal code is R3T. Put your caps lock on, R3T. And 2N2. 2N2. Take your caps lock off. All right. Now, press your tab key. We also have to consider that you have who the letter is going to. So we've got to include Mr. Julian Lopez. So we have to type Mr. period, tab, and you want Julian, and tab, and you want Lopez, and tab. Now, has he got a position? Yes, supervisor, purchasing department. Okay, and then his address, no company name, address line 1 is 4105 Kelso Court. And tab. And then no address 2, no address 3, the city is Morden. And then tab, Manitoba MB. And then tab, and the postal code is R4T space and 2Y7. All right, take your caps lock off. Now, that's the end of our data. I don't want to press tab key because then I'll get a blank record, right? Okay, but we do want to, I'm going to size this out so that I can click on last name and put them in alphabetical. Oh, I didn't press the tab key. Oh shucks, I'm going to shut the video for a second and put it in. Okay, sorry about that. I goofed up mine, so now I've got all 4 there, and I hope you've got all 4 in. Okay, all right, and I put them in alphabetical order. Remember when we click on last name, Chang, Lopez, Mendez, Thompson, Z to A, A to Z. So make sure yours are A to Z. All right, say okay. And now, remember when we save this, we must go to your U drive. Okay, we must go to your U drive. And then we want to go to ABT, and we want to go to your mail merge folder. All right, and the only thing you see right now are your databases. So click in the file name box, type in your name, type in the current date, and this is going to be called financial data. All right, and make sure it's data because this is your client information, and save it. And now say okay. Okay, so I'm at, okay, we're ready to, okay, I'll work for a few more minutes and then my video is going to be out of time. So we want to go to next, write your letter. Okay, so now go Control Home and press enter once and then go to Control Home again. Okay, the first thing we want in the letter is go to Insert, and we want the date and time, and we want October 24th or whatever date is the current date. And now we do want to update automatically, so make sure you got the check mark in there and say okay. And press enter 5 times. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now we want to put in your fields. So go to Mailings, and we want to put in Insert Merge Field Title, spacebar, Insert Merge Field First Name, spacebar, Insert Merge Field Last Name. Press enter, Insert Merge Field, Position, press enter, Insert Merge Field, Company Name, press enter, Insert Merge Field, Address Line 1, press enter, Insert Merge Field, Address Line 2, Insert Merge Field, Address Line 3, and Insert Merge Field, City. Now, comma space, or leave it out, whichever you want to do, and Province, spacebar, and then Merge Field, and put in postal code. All right, and now we want to press enter twice, and you want to type in Dear. Now, we want to use the title, remember, spacebar, and the last name. We didn't make up a specialized salutation, so therefore it is formal, title, last name. All right, press enter one more time, and then type in your loan is due, and you're going to type in the body that you see here. And this is where I'm going to stop because I have to come back now with part A. So we'll stop here. So save your work, and I'll stop.